Film Forum Manipur ki Department of Information and Broadcasting amadi Thauna Manipur na sinduna Manipur ihan hanba oina lakadoriba March 3 dagi taret foba North East India Film Festival NIF 2024 da utnaba film nipan khangatle amadi film sing asi Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDS amadi Tantha Police da utkari haina NIF ki chairman Yangkom Nilachandrana phongdokre Wafam asing asi NIF ki organizing committee na sinduna Kaisampatal leiba Department of Information and Public Relations DIPR ge conference hall da pangthokiba paugi mifam amada phongdokhibane Nilachandra hai lamdam astal leiriba film puthokliba amade namliba singbu pungning thogat piba amade isa gi oiba nat ki film sing puthokliba ase yokhanabagi pandamda masiguma film festival ase pangthokpa mathau tai Khangatlaba film nipan ase kumjali singani kunhumdoi gi January degi hauduna December tha phobagi manungda Central Board of Film Certification na puthokpa amade khangatlaba ngактane film festival asigi entry free oigani film sing ase festival aste udlaba tungda Best Production Film, Best Director, Best Cinematography, Best Screenwriter, Best Editing, Best Sound Special Mention, Special Jury Sin Khangatuna, Sel Amadi Memento Yauna Certificate Sing Su Kusinagani Haike.
North East India Film Festival 2024 Ministry of Information and Broadcasting sponsorship makada pangthokpa paidagi ihan hanba North East India Film Festival ni sigi damakta da koina ahanbada January tarikh 9 chaliba sahi sigi sida koi festival sigi announcement amadi sigi schedule na simba koi laptop gi press meet ama mafam smakta tawjakre madugi matungina koina last day of film entry si February tarikh 9 chaliba tha sigi ta 9 2024 se thamjegi hairiba sigi manunga akoina thamjeki ba film se film tarang me thamjeki akoina tawjeriba festival si feature film khatani North East India sta puthokpa ate category film se koi hapung namjede marne koina PB reiba Ministry of Information and Broadcasting PB reiba sponsorship si yamna koi mara kaidi we bani na kaitang koi kano tawraga ate short film documentary 60 ate organizations mayam tawbale aduga feature film se feature film no